So, how are you, Mr. Simon?
I'm good, I'm doing well.
Where did you spend your Christmas holiday?
Actually, I was here in Finland, but I went to the north, Rovaniemi, to have some time there.
So, when you compare the Christmas holiday here and your country, Ghana, how do you find?
Yeah, there's so much difference between them. Yeah, here you see the lights and everything, balloons, children, happy, snow everywhere. But in Ghana, it's a lot of fun. That there's noise everywhere. We have the festivity outside, but here it's like everybody's indoors. So that's basically that's the difference between them.
Okay, you just said that you went to Rovaniemi.
Yes.
Yeah, so what did you go to do there?
Actually, I wanted to because a thing told me that if you really want to know how Christmas is celebrated in Finland, you have to go to the up north in the villages because, like in Ghana, for instance, if you want to feel the Christmas, you have to go to the villages. That is where Christmas you feel the Christmas. So I wanted to just see the changes in Christmas between Helsinki and in Rovaniemi. And yes, also to see Santa Claus and to go to the Arctic Circle. So that's why I chose Rovaniemi.
Yeah,
That's why.
so did you get the chance to see the Santa Claus?
Yeah, I saw Santa Claus in town, and then I also went to where Santa lives, but I think I was a little bit late. But anyway, I saw where he lives, and I saw the Arctic Circle, and yeah, it was fun. It was fun.
That's nice.
Yeah, and I wish that the rest of the Christmas that follows, maybe I'll go up there and then celebrate the Christmas because you are with a family and that you feel you have the Finnish Christmas or whatever food they have in Christmas. You just feel like here in Helsinki, I'm alone, I'm home alone, and then I just eat the same kind of food I eat every day. So that is good, and yeah, it's very good.
Well, it was nice having you here.
All right.
Yeah, thanks very much.
Thanks. Yeah. Okay.